Now, yeah, are you going through the questions that I left for you? This PDF, I think in the last session I have uploaded in the app. Okay. And suppose if you observe some questions I missed it. That means I have left it for you, right? So, yeah, these questions I left, right? Okay, you better try it. If you find any doubt, ask me, okay? In the A, all not completed. Means you're asking about the questions, right? Yeah, those questions I left it for you only, for your practice. Actually, there is one model that is, what we say, new model that is known as radar graph. Okay, that I have explained for you, right? So what I'm thinking is that you will do them. Once you completed means I will, if you find any doubt means I will explain you. Okay, but that is actually the last questions were completely groups one. Oh, you have not finished. Okay. So try to finish tomorrow is a Sunday, na? So that one and this one. Okay. So in your what we say study hall or somewhere else, allocate some time for it. Okay. Alright, anyhow. Yeah, this is what we have seen in the last session, that is known as doing daily some questions. Okay. Yeah, now the topic is alternate days. How do we solve the problems of alternate days? We have to observe. First, we should know what is meant by alternate days. Okay, alternate days. Okay, so what we have to observe is, suppose A can do a piece of work in 20 days, whereas B can do the same piece of work in 30 days. They started working on alternate days. In how many days the work will be completed? That is what the question is. Okay. So they started the work. No. They are working on alternate days. Okay. How many days the work will be completed? This is what the question is. That is what the question is. Okay, good. Try it. Okay. Try it, Lokesh. Do by your own. Okay, 2 questions I'll give you. Both if you do means I can clearly distinguish or differentiate how do we solve the questions, where do we get the problems. Okay, that's why try it. A can do a piece of work in 10 days, whereas B can do the same piece of work in 20 days. Okay, they are working on alternate days. How many days the work will be completed? They're working on alternate days, and how many days the work will be completed? Do you got any other answer? Or if not means I will explain you. Line method. Okay, let's take the LCM. Okay, I'll explain this one later. I'll come to this one. Okay. Good. Okay, else we'll go with this one. 20 days and 30 days, the total work is 60 units I'm measuring. In one day, A completes 60 by 20, that is 3 units. In one day, B can complete 60 by 30, that is 2 units. If both are working together, they complete in 5 units. But on any day, they will not work together. That's why what I am doing is they're working on alternate days, right? If one day A works, the other day B works. Or else if one day B works, the other day A works. That means that is a cycle, right? If A starts a set, AB, right? Okay, if B starts, it is BA, right or wrong? Okay, now what I will do is here AB repeats. Here in the second one, BA repeats, right? That's why anyhow AB or BA, I will call it as a set or one cycle. So in one cycle, 5 units will be completed. In the first cycle, A works first day, B works second day. That means total one cycle means 2 days. Okay. The work I have to do is 60 units. So 60 by per cycle means 5, right? 60 by 5, that is equals to not 12 days, 12 cycles. But we know that each cycle is 2 days. Okay. 12 cycles means 24 days. Okay, that is the answer. So you have given 25 days. I don't know where you did the mistake. Maybe it is a typing mistake. 10 and 20, if I take the LCM, 20 units is the total work. Do you understand this, Lokesh? 1 day's work of A is 20 by 10, that is 2 units. 20 by 20, I did not. Okay. No problem, learn it, okay? 20 by 20 is 1 unit. 3 units is the total. Okay, if A starts, then what happens? The cycles are AB, 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 and so on, right? Okay. Suppose if B starts, okay, then it is BA, 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 and so on, right? Anyhow, here, this AB, AB, AB repeats, right? I will call it as one cycle. Okay. Here, BA, 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 and so on, right? Here, anyhow, this is known as a cycle. Okay. Anyhow, one cycle means 1 day's A's work, 1 day's B's work. Here also 1 day's B's work, 1 day's A's work. Means they both has to work for one day, right? That means the work completes means 3 units. That is known as one cycle. That is known as one cycle. Okay, one cycle means here also it will become 2 days. Here also it will become 2 days. Now the most important point is how many units they have to complete is 20 units. So it will be taken 20 by 3. It is not exactly divisible. By alternate this in line graph, I told sir. I didn't understand. Remember, 24 days is the answer ultimately for this. There is no other option. I didn't understand what is line graph method. That's why I'm not able to answer this. But anyhow, 20 by 3. Okay, 20 by 3 means how much it is? It is not exactly divisible. So 6 times divisible, right? 6 cycles. Plus, how much is pending? 6 3s are 12, 18 means 2 units are pending. Okay. Then what happens is, one cycle is 2 days, right? 6 cycles means already it is 12 days. Okay, one thing is sure that whether A starts or B starts, 12 days is mandatory. Okay, 12 days is mandatory. Suppose if A starts the work, every cycle is started by A, right? Every cycle is started by A. So 6 cycles completed means these 2 units comes under the 7th cycle. So 7th cycle will also be started by A. That means these 2 units are subjected to A. Okay, A, 2 units were subjected. Okay, in 1 day A completes 2 units, right? That means in 1 day he completed the work. Then 12 plus 1 is how much? 13. So answer is 13 days. So if A starts the work, it is 13 days. Suppose if B starts, sir, whether A starts or B starts, 6 cycles are compulsory, means 12 days are mandatory. Okay, in this case, if B starts, okay, each cycle will be started by B. Already 6 cycles were completed. Now these 2 units comes under the 2nd cycle. In the 7th cycle, each cycle is started by B means these 2 units are subjected to B. But my point is B can do 1 unit only daily, right? How many units are left? 2 units. Some students will write 2 days. That is the answer, wrong answer. Okay, daily he will complete only 1 unit, right? That means B has completed 1 unit and he has took 1 day. Now the point is 2 units are left out. Only 1 unit is completed here. The remaining 1 unit is pending. B will not work continuously. So this is B means the next day is A. A in 1 day completes 2 units, but only 1 unit is left out. That means to complete 1 unit, he don't want full day. He just want half day. Okay. So altogether how much it is? 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus half is 13 and half. So answer is 13 and half days. Okay. Like this we have to observe. In this case, there is no question that A started or B started. But in this case, if A starts 13 days, B starts 13.5 days. So that's why, in this case, whoever starts, the answer is 24 days only, no change at all. But in this case, they should say who has started the work. If he has not started, not mentioned, then we should say that the answers cannot be determined. How can we identify easily whether it is determined or cannot be determined means, this 60, one cycle means 5 units. 60 by 5 means exactly divisible. Exactly divisible means whoever started the problem, Okay, the answer will be the same. But here 20 by 3 means not divisible, some reminder you got. Whenever you got some reminder, okay, then we should go with the who started is mandatorily known to us. Okay, right, this is the methodology to do the alternate days. Now I'll give you one question. Okay, you should try it. Whether you get it or not, that is secondary. Okay, A can do a piece of work in 25 days, whereas B can do the same piece of work in 20 days, whereas C can do the same piece of work in suppose 30 days. They are working on alternate days for one day in the order of ABC, and so on. Okay, in how many days the work will be completed? Come on, try it and give me the answer fast. Come on, do it fast. If you are unable to answer means at least respond once so that I will start it. Yes, you will get improper fractions or proper mixed fractions you will get. No problem. Okay. Well, 1 by 2 days, I don't think so. Or 121 by 2 days, I don't think so. Don't worry, I'll help you, okay? Okay, 25, 20 and 30. So the LCM is 300 units. One day A completes 12 units, B completes 15 units, C completes 10 units. Okay, all together 27, 37 units. This is one cycle. One cycle means how many days? 3 days. Total 300 units need to be completed. So 300 by 37. Okay, so we can say that this is equals to 37 6s are 333. That much is not there. 37 9s are. So 37 8s. So 8 cycles. Okay. 37 8s is how much? First we have to calculate. 37 into 8. 8 7s are 56. 24 plus 5 29. 296. 296 हो गया तो 4 units is the pending one. Okay. 8 cycles. Each cycle is 3 days. 8 3s are 24 days. Now how many units are pending? 4 units. Okay. These 4 units need to be done by each cycle is started by A now. So that's why these 4 units will be subjected to A. A in one day he can complete 4 units, but he has to complete only 4 units, right? So 4 by 12. That is 1/3 day. Okay. So answer will become 24 1 by 3 days. Okay. That it will be the answer. Is it clear for you? That somewhere you are doing the mistake. Is it conceptual or calculation? Okay. Now let's see the next one. A can do a piece of work in 25 days. B can do the same piece of work in 20 days. Okay, C can do the same piece of work in suppose 30 days. Okay, now he says that A works continuously, B and C helps him on alternate days starting with B. In how many days the work will be completed? Right? Okay, understand. Okay, try this question. Means I have to understand whether you understand the concept clearly or not.
A works continuously B and C helps him on alternate days, starting with B.
16 1 by 3 days? I don't think so. Okay, let's do. 25, 20 and 30. The total work is 300 units. Okay. In one day, A completes 300 by 25 means 12, 300 by 20 means 15, 300 by 30 means 10. So most of the people will go like this, and 3 days is one cycle, etc., etc. That is all rubbish. Okay. Yeah, whatever you said is correct. Means what we have to do is we have to take okay, good. Now I'm writing what we have to take. So A works continuously, right? So A, and so on continuously. B and C help him on the alternatives, right? First day B helped, second day C helped, third day B helped, next day C helped, B, C, and so on, right? Okay, then what happens is, okay, this acts as one day, this acts as the second day, third day, fourth day. First day A and B worked means 12 plus 15, 27 units. Okay, yeah, good. Next day AC worked means 12 plus 10, 22. AB 27. AC 22 and so on, right? Now if you observe, 2 are getting repeated, right? AB, AC. That's why this I will take it as one cycle. Now the point you should notice is definitely one cycle means 2 days. I'm writing here. One cycle means how many days? 2 days. How many units the work will be completed means 27 plus 22? 49 units will be completed. Okay. One cycle means 2 units. Sorry, 2 days. Okay. And one cycle means 49 units. The work they have to complete is 300, right? So 300 by 49. So 6 times. So 6 cycles plus 6 units are left out. Now these 6 cycles are done by 6 cycles means each cycle is 2 days, right? So 12 days plus. Now these 6 units will be subjected to the 7th cycle, right? Each cycle will be started by A and B together, right? That's why these 6 units will also be given to A and B. A and B in one day they can complete 27 units, means 6 by 27. Okay, days. So answer is 12 days plus 6 by 27 days. Okay, or else collectively we can say that 12 is 6 by 27 days. We can cancel with 3, 3 2s, 3 9s. So answer is 12 2 by 9 days. Clear for you? Or any doubt? See, one cycle means 49 units because 27 units on the first day, 22 units on the second day. Total is 49 units. Okay. So this is first day, this is second day, means total is 2 days. Okay. Next one. This is the first point you should notice. Okay. Second point, total work you have to do is 300 units. So 300 by 49, 6 times it was cancelled, 6 cycles plus 6 units are left out. One cycle means 2 days, right? 6 cycles means 12 days. Plus these 6 units are subjected to, this comes under the 7th cycle. Each cycle will be started by A and B together, not A, not B. A and B together. So these 6 units are subjected to A and B together. They can complete one day 27 units. Like that they have to complete 6 units only. So 6 by 27. These two together is 12, 6 by 27. So 12 2 by 9 days. Right, good. This is known as alternate days.